Artificial intelligence is reshaping every industry, but there is a problem. Women are barely part of the conversation. Women hold only 22% of AI jobs and only 15% of executive AI roles. Not only that, but women are also more at risk of losing their jobs due to automation.
These barriers are real. Women have been excluded from STEM fields for decades. They receive only 2% of venture capital funding and are more affected by the stereotypes that exist online. And it's not just women. AI bias also affects other communities, LGBTQ, non-Western cultures, and other minorities around the world.
A US research shows that 77% of women are looking to learn about generative AI, but they are missing solutions, missing a community, missing a space that was made for them. When women have equal access to digital skills and AI education, something shifts. They don't just advance their own careers, they create jobs, they start businesses, they lift their entire communities. Research shows that closing the gender gap in AI could create 1.2 million jobs in EU alone. Globally, it's a $5 trillion opportunity. This isn't charity, this is unlocking human potential. This is how we build better, more innovative, more resilient societies.
2 years ago, we were working in AI from an all-female co-working space. Women started coming to us asking us for AI advice. And this is when we truly noticed the problem. Women don't have the time, they're concerned about the ethics, and they can't find a space that's really considering their needs.
So we built SheAI, a community and an educational platform designed specifically for women to learn AI, find mentorship, build connections, and see themselves as the leaders in this space. We've partnered with United Nations to provide an inclusive platform that teaches not only technical AI skills, but also highlights the impact of AI in our day-to-day, regardless of the industry or line of work. We do this through specialized learning with experts to teach women the role of AI in business, society, and across multiple industries. We'll build the world's first educational platform on inclusion. We provide courses and events from experts who are shaping AI firsthand, and most importantly, a place where you are not the only woman in the room.
You belong here. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Join thousands of women who are learning, growing, and building AI together.